Hello, my name is Cindy and my pool is disgusting, but we're gonna fix it. Well, I have a video the day that we put this thing together, and it was really awesome to have this pool and put together for the kids in 2020. It was a lot of work, so you can check out that video to see how it went. But last year I never could get it going. But it was just too dirty and nothing I did would work and nobody would help. So I gave up. But this year I said, I'm doing it. So we emptied this pool. It's pretty good size. I mean, it's a small above ground oval. And when you get a couple kids in here, it seems even smaller. But it's great on a hot summer day. And I want my grandkids to come over and have fun in here. So hopefully this year we'll get it done. What we had to do was we had to empty the entire pool of all of the water. Right now I have it almost empty, just a little puddle left. Then I'm gonna go around and I'm gonna wash the sides with Dawn dish soap. And I'm gonna make sure it is totally clean, like new. I'm gonna make sure every single bit of water is out, every bit of sand. I've been using a broom to kind of brush off the sides, but I'm going to get a towel after that. I'm gonna do what I can with the broom, then I'm gonna get a towel and just really wipe it down all the way around before I start filling it up. And filling it up, I'm not gonna just go hog wild and fill it all up in one day. I'm just gonna probably do a few inches each day until it's done, and that should do it. We do have a well, so we do have to be careful of the well not to run it dry. Right now, the water table is a little low because we haven't had much rain. So I am praying for rain. I do want to get this thing going. In New Hampshire, we have July and August. Sometimes it's pretty hot in September too. So I figure if I can get this done first week in July, I'll have 8, 9, maybe 10 weeks of pool time. And hopefully we can get it put away so that it won't be so hard to get it going again next year. But this pool has been here since we moved here, and I've been here for over 20 years. I don't know, this might be the longest above ground pool lifetime of an above ground pool. It's seen its better days, but it still stands up. We have replaced the liner. This is the second time. We've also replaced the filter. We've replaced the pump. I've replaced hoses along the way. I'm hoping right now that our pump and our filter is okay. I'm hoping I don't have to replace those. I really don't know for sure until I get it completely going, but once I fill it up, it'll stay good for a little while until I get the pump completely figured out. But it's been a good thing, and today is actually pretty hot, so if I had it going, it might be a good day to play in here. So time is of the essence. We're almost done, and thank you for watching. Pools are a lot of work. There's no doubt about it, but I think that it's a fun summer thing. With gas prices the way they are, instead of going somewhere, we can enjoy getting a cool down in our own backyard. All right, tell me what you think. Do you have a pool? Are you taking care of your pool? Have you ever had to empty out your pool? I have a friend that she makes a lot of pool videos, and her name is Danny. Her YouTube channel is Happy Farms, and she has a way bigger pool than I do, and she has done this many times. You can check out her channel for a do-it-yourselfer pool putter-upper, maintainer. She does a great job. And she's the inspiration for me to get going and get this thing going. The liner's good, so I don't have to worry about replacing the liner. And honestly, that's probably the hardest thing you'll ever do on a pool. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Okay, I think we're done, and the next thing is we need to fill it up. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.